Chapter 4 Quadratic Equation. Continue exercise 4.3. Question number. Now I will take question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in Maths and English is 30. Sum of marks of Maths and English is 30. Had she got 2 more marks in Maths and 3 less marks in English, Maths she got 3 more marks and English she got in Maths 2 more marks, in Mathematics 2 more marks and 3 marks less in English, 3 marks less in English, then the product is given to you 210. Now I will frame the equation. See here, let the max marks be x. So English marks be 30 minus x. Now according to question, 2 more marks in maths. So more marks in maths, पहले x थे तो अब कितने हो गए x plus 2, 3 less in English, पहले 30 minus x थे and now minus 3 less हो गए and the product is 210. Now solve it. X plus 2, 30 minus 3, it is 27 minus x is equal to 210. Multiplied it, x square 27, x into 27, 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x इसको इधर ले आइए, minus 210 is equal to 0. So now minus x square and minus 2x plus this 25x, 27 में से 2 गए 25x. Now 210 में से 54 गए तो कितना बचा प्लस minus 156. Now my x square is negative, so what we do, we multiply both sides by minus, make it positive. Now x square multiplied by minus 1, x square minus 25x minus 150, that is plus 150, sign will change. Now what is the middle, what is the product here? 156 and middle term is minus 25. So what is the factor of 156? You will get 25. 156 के factor कीजिए and you will get middle term. So factor is 12 into 13. 12 into 13. So both you will take minus minus. Instead of this, you can use x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now take out x common. X minus 12 minus 13 common. 156 is a factor of 12 into 13 is a factor of 156. So 13 taken out minus, so it is x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now again x minus 12 is common and in other bracket x minus 13 is equal to 0. If you take this bracket 0, x minus 12 is equal to 0, this implies x is equal to 12. If you take x minus 13 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 13. So in maths, it is, if it is 12, then it is 18. If it is 13, you will get it is 17. So this is the answer. Question 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field. This is a rectangular field. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 more than shorter side, let the shorter side be x, longer side be 30 more than shorter side. and diagonal is 60 more. So let the shorter side be x, longer side be 30 more, and 60 more the shorter side. Diagonal is 60 more the shorter side. Now let shorter side be x meter, longer side be x plus 30 meter, diagonal be x plus 60 meter. You have to find the sides of the field. You have to find length and breadth. Okay, this is breadth and this is length. Now you know the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle, in this we use Pythagoras theorem. We know that in the given triangle we use Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to p square plus b square. So x plus 60 का whole square is equal to p का square, means x का square plus x plus 30 का square. Now use identity a plus b whole square. It is x square plus 120x plus 3600 is equal to x square plus x square plus 60x plus 900. Now 1x square is cut. Transpose this to that side. So it is x square. So it is x square. It is 60x. So minus 60x. 120 minus का हो गया plus 60x हो गया. Sign is minus greater. So minus 60x. Now 3600 उधर गया. 900 subtract हुआ. Minus 2700 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So what is the product? Product is minus 2700 and middle term is minus 60. What is the factor of this? 90 and 30? Minus 90 plus 30. Instead of this you can write x square minus 90x minus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So now grouping it and take common, x common in this, x minus 90 minus 30 common, x minus 90 is equal to 0. X minus 90 again common, x minus 30 is equal to 0. If I take this, then x is equal to 90. If I take this, x is equal to 30. Now see here, what is the length and breadth? It is, if I take x is equal to 90, breadth is 90, then length is, if breadth is 90, then length is 30. 90 plus 30, 120, or you can say that it is x, it is plus, no? It is plus, so it is minus. So length is no, side is not negative, side is not negative, side is not negative. 60 आना चाहिए minus or plus, it is, make this correction. Side is not negative, it is minus 30, x is equal to minus 30, side is not negative. Question 7. The difference of square of two numbers. Difference of square of two numbers. B 180 and the square of smaller number. Square of smaller number is 8 times larger number. 8 times larger number. Square is, here you see that square. The difference of square of two number is 180 and square of smaller number is 8 times the larger one. Now let larger number be x and smaller number be 8x, 8 times larger number. Now according to question, difference of square of two numbers. So फर्स्ट लार्जर नंबर का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया एक्स स्क्वायर, स्मॉलर नंबर का स्क्वायर क्या दिया हुआ है, व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ स्मॉलर नंबर, इट इज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ smaller number, it is a square of smaller number, so difference is given to you 180. This is the quadratic equation. Now we will find the roots of the quadratic equation, transpose it here. X square हमेशा पॉजिटिव रखना, ओके, minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Here product is minus 180 and middle term is minus 8, so factors of 180 is minus 18 and 10. Instead of this you can write x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. Take out x common, x minus 18 plus 10 common, x minus 18 is equal to 0. Again x minus 18 is common, x plus 10. So x, one time this bracket, x is equal to 18 and x is equal to minus 10. So see here, minus 10 we can't take, side is not negative, so larger number is 18. Here larger number x is equal to 18, smaller number is equal to 8x, so 8 into 18, 8 8 is 64 and 8 1 is 8, 144. Okay. Question 9. Two taps together can fill a tank in night 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter take 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So separately can fill the tank. Two taps, time taken given by two taps is 9 3/8 hours is equal to 75 upon 8 hours. Now time taken by tap of smaller diameter is x hours. Time taken by tap of larger diameter is x minus 10 hours. This is given to you. Now, in case of, according to question, in case of 1 hour, in case of 1 hour, in lower classes you will find unitary method. If total time is this, so what is the time in 1 hour? 1 upon x. What is the time for larger tap? 1 upon x minus 10. And total time is this, so what is the time of 1 hour? Reciprocal it, 1 upon 75 upon 8. So it is 8 upon 75. Now we can solve it. Take LCM. X minus 10 plus x is equal to 8 upon 75. Now 2x, my cross multiply, it is 2x minus 10 into 75 is equal to 8 bracket x square minus 10x. So 75 into 2, 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Now transpose this that side, इसको उधर ले जाइए. So 8x square minus 80 and minus 150, it becomes 230. It becomes 230x. Now it goes there, it will be 750 is equal to 0. Now divide it by 2, you will get, divide this equation by 2 or you will get 4x square minus 115x plus 750 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो कितना आया 375 is equal to 0. So what is the product? See here, what is the product? 375 into 4 यानी कि 1500 is the product. And what is the middle term? Minus 115. What is the factor of 1500? So you will get 115. इसके क्या फैक्टर करेंगे कि 115 आ जाए? सिंपल, माइनस 150 इंटू माइनस 10, माइनस 150 इंटू माइनस 100 इंटू 15. 15 into 100 is 1500. 15 plus 100 is 115. Instead of this, you can write 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 is equal to 0. Now take out common 4x. So it is x minus 25 minus 15 common. So x minus 25. So it is x minus 25, 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. So one time this is 0, so x is equal to 25. Next 4x is equal to 15, so x is equal to 15 upon 4. If I take x is equal to 15 upon 4, so it is 15 upon 4. So I will take, this is refused, so you will take x is equal to 25. So x is equal to 25 hours by smaller tap and 15 hours for larger tap. Question number 10. An express train take 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km. So distance is given to you 132 km. An express train take 1 hour less. Time is negligible between the different stations. So if the average speed of express train is 11 km more than the passenger train, find the average speed of two trains. Let the speed of passenger train be x km per hour and express train be x plus 11 km per hour. Now you know that it will take 1 hour less. Express train take 1 hour less. We know that time is equal to distance upon speed. So time taken by passenger train, according to question, time taken by passenger train 132 upon x, time taken by express train, this is express train, so it already take 1 hour less. जब equate करेंगे we will subtract 1 here, then balance the equation. It is already taking 1 hour less. जब balance किया तो passenger train में से 1 घंटा घटा दिया. Now solve it. You will take 1 that side, so it becomes 132. इसको इधर ले आइए और इसको इधर ले जाइए. 132 upon x plus 11 minus 132 upon x minus इसको इधर लाए तो 132 upon x plus 11 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now solve it. Take LCM. X plus 11 is the LCM. 132 into x से डिवाइड किया बचा x plus 11 minus 132 is equal to 1. Cross multiply, you will get 132x plus 132 into 11. If you multiply by 132 into 11, you will get 231, 231, 1452 minus 132x is equal to x square plus 11x. Now 132x is cancelled out. Now x square plus 11x plus 11x, this will transfer that side, minus 1452 is equal to 0. So now factor it. If you factor it, what is the product? Minus 140 minus 1452 and middle term is 11x 11. So if you factor it 1452, factor this, you will get middle term 11. 1452 कैसे factor कीजिए कि क्या आ जाए 11. So 2 7 2 4 2 6 2 3 2 3 and 2 6 2 3 3 1 2 1 and 11 11 11 11. So I will take 11 3s are 33 and 11 4s are 44. Here you can see that 44 and 33 are the factors. Instead of this you can write x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. This is the factor. You can use quadratic formula here also, but I use factorization method. I break the 11 in 44 into minus 33. X is common, x plus 44 minus 33 is common, x plus 44 is equal to 0. Again x plus 44 common, x minus 33 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 44, speed is not negative, x is equal to 33. Speed of passenger train be 33 km per hour and speed of 33 plus 11 44 km per hour express train. Question 11. Sum of areas of two square is 468 meters square. Suppose these are the two squares and sum is 468 meters square. If the side is x and y, side is x and y. So square of first is x square, square of second is y square. It is 468. It is given to you, and the difference of the parameter. So parameter of first square is 4x, second is of 4y, and difference is 24. Find the dimensions or sides of two squares. Now divide second equation by 4. You will get x minus y is equal to 6. Here you will get x is equal to 6 plus y. Second, put in 1. इसकी जगह रख दीजिए x की जगह 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. Expand it with a plus b whole square identity. 36 plus 12y plus y square is equal to 468. It is 2y square plus 12y. 468 को इधर लेके आइए minus 36 कीजिए. So it is 2 and 3. Minus 432 is equal to 0. Divide by 2. You will get y square plus 6y minus 216. Now I use quadratic formula. Solve the roots of quadratic equation. So you write first quadratic formula. Y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In the given equation here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to minus 216. Now y is equal to minus b is minus 6 plus minus 6 ka square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 216 upon 2 into 1. So y is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 4 into 216. इसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, माइनस माइनस प्लस 6 to the 24, 4 6 are 24, 4 1 64, and 8. 864 upon 2. So y is equal to minus 6 plus minus under root 900 upon 2, and this becomes minus 6 plus minus 900 is square root of 30 upon 2. Take positive sign, you will get y is equal to minus 6 plus 30 upon 2 means 24 upon 2 is equal to 12. Take negative sign, minus 6 minus 36 upon 2 minus 30 upon 2 minus 36 upon 2 minus 18. Side is not negative, so 12 is the one side, so y is equal to 12, and here y is equal to 12, and what is x? From equation 3 you will get x. From equation 2, x is equal to 6 plus 12 is equal to 18 meter and 12 meter. So x is 18 meter.